What up, though? Today, we're about to be doing an oil change on the 2019 Street Glide Special. Perfect timing. We're in quarantine, you ain't got nothing to do. Perfect time to take care of some business with your bike. Let's get started. Got the most important rule, you gotta have some jack.
Gang time, nigga. Hey, it ain't shit to talk about.
Before you release your oil pan screw, might be a good idea to come over here and just loosen up your oil dipstick. This creates a suction. After you get it loose, have your oil pan ready so you don't waste oil anywhere. Take it out by hand. There you go. So while your oil is draining, you can get started right here and start taking off your oil filter. Some people may use a screwdriver right here. This is what we're going to be using. If you can't get it off, screwdriver wheel. Replace a new filter. K&N is good because it has this bolt on here. Makes it easier to take off and put back on. K&N.
Oh, I really want to cut you off, but I can't. Oh, I really need to cut you off, but I can't.
We got the screw in for the oil pan. Got the oil filter back on. Now all we gotta do is put the oil in.
You need to fall in love with me and fuck what they say.
The oil change finished.
You should fall in love with me.
Took about 10 minutes. Something easy, something simple. Work on your own bike. Become one with your own bike. Shout out to my cameraman, Young Black in the building.
Bitch, I'm bad business. Bitch, I'm bad business. Bitch, I'm bad business. Bitch, I'm bad business.